Good evening. Welcome to my Chem plus Chem class. Today I will discuss how you calculate the ground state of lanthanide elements. It is very a common question for net and grade. Every year is this question repeat. One question is repeated. How calculate the term symbol of suppose it is question calculate the term symbol of urium 3 plus or lanthanide 3 plus. It is common question for net and every net exam it is repeated every and now today I will calculate total term symbol of lanthanide elements from lanthanum to lutetiums, and it is how to it calculated, and let us see. I see write the total elements of lanthanide. This is lanthanide, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, homothenium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, hafnium, iridium, terbium, ytterbium, lutetium. This is elements you can know for lanthanide series, and you calculate the term symbol. This is calculated term symbol this is terms, which is term. This is 2s plus 1, this is xj, which is j equal to mod of l plus l dot l minus l this is actually j, and 2s plus 1, this is 2s plus 1 is called spin multiplicity, and this is actually formula for use calculate the term symbol of total system ground state term symbol. To calculate this formula is used, and now I going to discuss how it is calculated from you from series. Even first lanthanum. This is lanthanum, which is lanthanum elements electronic configuration as xenon that is last is 5p 4f 4f0 5p6 5d1 6s2. This is 6s2 actually lanthanide electronic configuration. This is electronic configuration for lanthanide. If we consider lanthanum plus 3, and then it's lanthanum plus 2. If we electronic configuration, see the lanthanide plus 2, then this will be xenon it will be 4f1 5p6 5d0 and 6 is 0, and which is 2 plus. When it is 2 plus, this electron will be less from this when to this is 2 plus ion, this is lanthanide 2 plus ion, which electron will be promoted, this is electron will be removed, this electron will be expelled to this is electron 2, and this is 5d1 electrons will be entered to 4f0. This is 4f1 for lanthanide 2 plus ion. Lanthanide it is very carefully. If you calculate term symbol of lanthanide 2 plus, this is actually f1. This is f1, and this is less than half pill in case of lanthanide. And this is we will calculate 2s plus 1. This is s equal to 1 electron present, this is half, and 2s plus 1, 2 into half plus 1, this is actually 2, and j equal to this is here something we will know something more. L equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5, this is s p d f g h. Actually this is very important for ground term symbol. GH 6 GHI, this is I, and we also known the J. This is 5f, this is f orbital, this is actually f orbital. We know this is 7 rooms units plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is actually minus 3. This is 1 electron. This is 1 electron present here, and hence L equal to lanthanide 2 plus L equal to here L equal to this is L equal to mod of summation of ml, which is ml. This is 1 electron, odd electron present in this is plus 3. This is actually 3. This is 3 for f. This is actually f term symbol, and which is j equal to L minus s, less than, as it is less than half fill, and half pill. This is L minus S for consider for ground state. It is according to Hund's rule. It is we know, and this L equal to 3, S equal to half. This is equal to half, and this is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 by this is equal to 5 by 2. This is equal to 5 by 2. Hence term symbol will be F. This is actually J equal to 5 by 2 and 2s plus 1. This is 2s plus 1 is equal to 2. This is actually ground state term symbol. If we consider lanthanum 3 plus, this is actually electronic configuration. F will be F0 on nothing electron or present is there. Yes, 2s plus 1. This is no unpaired electron. This is actually L equal to 0. No equal to 0. This is equal to 0 plus 1. This is actually 1, and hence J equal to will be L minus S. L equal to 0. S equal to also 0, and it is actually 0. This is actually 0 for L equal to 0. L equal to 0 is equal to S. This is S, and this is 0, and this is 2s plus 1. This is actually 1. This is a term symbol for lanthanum 3 plus. I will calculate here total 3 plus ions of all lanthanide elements. Let us see. Then it is lanthanum plus lanthanum, and then you consider the steric ions. This is steric ions. This is actually electronic configuration xenon 5p6, 4f1 5p6 6s2. This is 6s2. This is actually electronic configuration of this unit 5d0 6s2 6s2 here. And then is steric 3 plus. You can consider steric 3 plus. This electronic this electron will be removed, and this electron this electron also this is actually steric 2, the F2. This is actually F1. This is actually F1. Steric 3 plus. This is 4f2 5f6 and 5d0 and 6s2, and if you 3 plus, this is remove 3 electron. This 2 electron will be removed first. This is first, and then after that electron will be removed from f orbital. It is a very important question point here. When you plus ions, this is removed from lanthanide element, remove the electron from lanthanide ion by lanthanide atom. First 6s electron will be removed. 6s electron will be removed, and then then f electron will be removed. And various students which is gives wrong answer. The lanthanide 3 plus, suppose steric 2 plus. Maximum major student remove this is 4f0, and this is 2 electron is removed. This is 2 electron is removed, and this 2 electron will be removed here. Major students concept, this 2 electron removed from F, but actually this is not actually electron will be removed for 6s2. First is 6s2, and this is f2 plus, and this is f2 0. It is right, but you will firstly remove from the electron from f orbital. This is will be absolutely wrong answer. Give your net exam, and will be you must choose the wrong answer, and it will get negative mark. But is actually is should very care, and the and understand to make out this understand that first you electron will remove must be removed of 6s2, and this is steric 3 plus, and remove 2 electron, and from is then 1 electron will be removed from here. This is actually 4f1. Sorry, 4f1. This is actually 2s plus 1. If you consider 2s plus 1, this is s equal to half. Then 2s into half plus 1. This is actually 2, and L equal to this is L equal to, if you consider here one terms, this is actually draw out here f 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is 1 electron present here. L equal to 3, and L equal to 3. This is L equal to 3f. L equal to 3f, and this is if j equal to L minus S. L equal to 3 minus S equal to half, and this is 5 by 2. Term symbol will be f 5 by 2, and 2s plus 1 is equal to 2. This is 2. This is actually term symbol of steric 3 plus ions. Steric 3 plus ions, and you firstly it is very important to know. And then we consider the praseodymium 3 plus. This is Praseodymium 3 plus, then you then you know this is actually electron will be 3, and this is same for, and this is actually 3 plus, you Praseodymium 3 plus, then you 3 electron present here, and this is 2 electron s equal to this is equal to will be, this is 3 electron present here, this is actually sorry if the 3 plus in this is 2, and this is actually f2 electron present, and s equal to half into plus 2 is equal to 1, this is actually 1, and 1, this is actually 1, s equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus this is 3, and how their electron also present here, and l equal to 3 plus 2, this is actually 5, and for l equal to 5, L equal to 5 is this is H is responsible for ground state, and pin multiplicity is 3, and then is J equal to L minus S equal to S, L equal to 5, S equal to 1, this is 1 equal to 4, this is actually 4 for ground state term symbol for Praseodymium 3 plus, you know it is Praseodymium 3 plus, you calculate the term symbol of this is 3 plus ions, and you next to neodymium 3 plus, Nd3 plus, this is actually F4, and this is actually F3, neodymium 3 plus, in constant term symbol here 2s plus 1, s equal to will be half into 3 electron present here, this is 3 and this 3 by 2, and you will input here, change here 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2, this is 4, this is actually 4, and you electron present here also, and this is 1 plus s equal to 2 n plus 1 equal to 6, and j equal to will be, it is also less than L minus S is 6 minus s equal to 3 by 2, this is 6 to 12 minus 3, 9 by 2, this is 9 by 2, and if we consider L equal to 6 is I, this is I equal to I, and this being multiplicity will be 4, and equal to 9 by 2. This is actually term symbol, ground state term symbol for neodymium 3 plus. You next question Pramothenium 3 plus. This is Pramothenium 3 plus. You go, we are 5, and this is 6 to same for result, and this is actually 3 electron. This is less than 3 electron. This is first 2 electron remove, and then 1 electron remove here. This is lanthanum F4 plus. This is actually odd electron. This is also electron. This is 1 2 3 4. This is into 4. Actually this is 2, and this is will be 2 4 into 5, this is 5 actually change, and this is also if we consider electron here, this is summation of plus 0, this is actually 1 2 3 4, this is actually 6, and hence will be j equal to L minus S is equal to L equal to 6 minus S equal to 2. This is actually 4, and same for this is actually I equal to 6, I, and 2s plus 1 equal to 3, 2s equal to plus 1 5, and here equal to 4. This is actually ground state term symbol for Pramothenium 3 plus. This is actually ground state term symbol for Pramothenium 3 plus. You will consider the samarium. Next we choose to consider the samarium 3 plus. This is actually samarium 3 plus, and this electron will be will be 6. This will be 6 and 6s2, and 3 plus 3 electron remove. This is 2, and from remove here. Next you will be remove here. This is actually 5. 1 electron you will be 5, and this is samarium 3 plus. And this is actually unpaired electron here present 5, and this is actually 5 by 2, and this is actually 5 by 2. You change here 5 by 2. This is actually 6. This is actually 6, and next electron here present here, and then you calculate the L. This actually calculated the L summation of ml actually plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. This is minus 1. And this is minus 1. This is 5 actually. This is 5 for H. This is actually H will be H, and which is pin multiplicity. This is 6, and this is 6, and J value equal to L minus S, also L minus S. It is less than half pin. This is less than half pin, and then we calculate L equal to 5 minus S equal to 5 by 2, and equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. This is ground state term symbol for samarium 3 plus. You go to uranium 3 plus. Very important question here. Very net exam. It is repeated every times. Uranium 3 plus. Next will be it is 7, and then it is 6 will be, because next electron 2 electron here from remove here, and 1 electron removed from here. This is uranium 3 plus, and next will be which is ground state term symbol. This is F6. F6 means S equal to 6, and this is equal to 3. equal to 3, and 3 this is 3 3 and 6 plus 1 7 equal to 7, and the electron is present here, this is the electron present here, and this electron plus minus 2 equal to this is cancel is equal to 3, this is 1 cancel is equal to 3, and this is will be f 3 for f, this is for 3 and 2 spin 1 is 7, this is 7, and which is j value actually 3 minus actually this is 3 minus 3, this is 3 minus 3, s equal to also 3, s equal to also 3, and this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is term symbol for uranium 3 plus, uranium 3 plus it is f 0. Next question, you are gadolinium 3 plus, this is go to gadolinium 3 plus, this is actually gadolinium 3 plus, you can see gadolinium 3 plus, sorry gadolinium, you consider gadolinium, this is gadolinium, next sorry gadolinium 3 plus, next gadolinium, you to next gadolinium, electronic configuration will be, this is electronic configuration will be must be 7, and here electron present 1 electron or last electron present here d, this is electronic configuration gadolinium, this is electron present 6s2, and here 1 electron present here, and this is also remain same for same as uranium, this is actually 3 plus, you consider the gadolinium 3 plus, this electron will be removed here, and then s electron will be removed here, and this is actually f7, this is actually f7, and present here electron present here f7, and this is 7 electron ampere, this is actually, and this is actually 7 by 2, and this is actually 7 by 2, and this is actually 8, this is actually 8, and this is L, which is L, this is L equal to this is L equal to something change, this is minus of say theta is equal to 0, which is 0, this is actually S, and this is for 3 plus, this is actually L equal to 0, this is actually S, to multiplicity 8, this is 8, and which is J value, this is less half fill, this is half fill, for half fill, you according to Ohm's rule, you may know that the L plus S will be considered L equal to 0, this is L equal to 0, this is L equal to S equal to plus 7 by 2, and equal to 7 by 2, and this is equal to 7 by 2, S8 7 by 2, this is a very important notification question, this is term symbol 8 7 by 2, sorry 8 is 7 by 2. Then next question terbium, this is terbium TB. The next question electronic configuration will be electronic configuration, this is actually this is not electron, it is actually electron will be 8, actually here 8 9, this is 9, actually electron will be 9, and you terbium 3 plus the electron will be 0, this is d0, and this is total electron will be f, and terbium 3 plus, this is actually f8 system electronic configuration, f8 systems, and your spin multiplicity is something wrong here. You know this is electron present here, this is 1 electron present here, this is electron f8, and this is f8, and this and which is ampere electron, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 ampere electron, this is 6 ampere electron is equal to half into 6 is equal to 3, and 2s plus 1, this is 2 into 3 plus 1, this is actually 7, I think 6 in plus 7, and which is L value, this is L value will be this is actually cancel each other, for this is as this is pair of this and cancel here, it is cancel here, and this electronic will be actually mod plus 3 or 2 plus sorry I do not right, plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, actually this is cancelled, and this is actually minus 3, this is actually minus 3, but we take the absolute 3, this is actually take absolute value 3, and this is which is L equal to 3, and S equal to which is L equal to 3, L is also 3, this is L also 3, and L plus will be S considered, L plus S will be considered actually 6, this is more than half fill, this is more than half fill, and there will be L plus S considered, this is actually L equal to 3, which is L equal to 3 F, this is F, and this is J value 6, and green multiplicity will be 7, this is actually 7 terms will be 7F6. If we consider next terbium dysprosium, you 6, and dysprosium you consider dysprosium, this is dysprosium, this is 6, then dysprosium electronic configuration is 10, electronic combination are the same as, and dysprosium 3 plus, this is the 9 system, and what ampere electron, this is also pair up, ampere electron 1 2 3 4 5, this is actually 5 in this 5 by 2, and this is actually 5 by 2, and this is 6, this is actually 6, and which is L value, this is L value, also electron, this electron will pair up, this is also removed here, and plus this is actually minus 5, minus 5, we take actually absolute value 5, 5 minus 5, and this is L equal to 5, L equal to 5, and S equal to S, which is S equal to 5 by 2, S equal to 5 by 2. This is will be 15 by 2, J equal to 15 by 2, which is L equal to 5, L equal to 5, 5 equal to H. This is H. 15 by 2 multiplicity will be 6, into multiplicity will be 6, and it is term symbol of dysprosium 3 plus. You calculate the term symbol of total dysprosium 3 plus. This will be it, and if you consider hafnium 3 plus. Next question, your hafnium. This is consider hafnium. This is will be 11, FF11, and this is actually 10. 2 electron here first, and then is 1 electron here 3 plus. This is hafnium 3 plus. You consider different 3 plus, and this is which is unpaired electron. There is also a present here unpaired electron U, and which one unpaired electron 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually 4. This is 4, actually 4, and this is actually 2. And here will be changed 2 plus equal 5. This is 5, and which is L value. This is L value. Here L value. This is also electron pair up, and you are also 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is actually minus 6. Which 6, and you will be taken absolute value. This is 6, and more than half will be plus S is equal to 2. S is equal to 2, which is value 2, 6 plus 8. This is actually 8. This is actually 8, and which is L equal to 6, L equal to I. This is I, and spin velocity is 5, and 8 equal to 8. This is will be electronic configuration of hafnium. If you iridium 3 plus, iridium, if you consider iridium, this is actually F12, and this is actually F12. This is iridium 3 plus, ER 3 plus. This is actually F11. This is F11. This electron will be pair up. Pair on 3 ampere electron present here. 3 ampere electron 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This is actually 3 by 2. This is 3 plus 1. This is actually 4. And which is L value? This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Actually, this is also 6. And this is 6 plus and 3 by 2. This is spin 3 by 2, and 12 plus 15 by 2. This is 15 by 3. L is 6. This is actually I. This is actually I, also I. This is 6 I. This is I. I. And L plus L. This is 3 by 2. 6 plus 3 by 2. 6 plus 12 by 15 by 2. This is 15 by 2. And spin multiplicity will be 4. This is spin multiplicity will be 4. This is constant term symbol for iridium 3 plus. If you next question is termium. This is termium. This termium. Next F13. This is actually this electron, 2 electron will be given here. Then electron from there. This is actually 11, 12. And how many electron present here? This also will be pair up. This is also will be pair up, and this will be even 3 plus, termium 3 plus, F12. How many ampere electron present here? 1, 2. This is actually 2. This is 2, and this is 1. Actually 1, and this is actually 1. 2 is this is 3. This is 3, and which is L value? This is minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3 ampere electron. Which is ampere electron here present? Minus 2 or minus 3. L is equal to consider for only for ampere electron. Minus 2, minus 3. This is actually minus 5. We take off absolute value 5. This is 5, and which is spin S equal to 1. This is actually 6. And for L, 5 is equal to L5H. This is actually H. Spin velocity is 2s, and this is actually 6 for constant term symbol for terbium 3 plus. This is actually terbium 3 plus, and if we consider ytterbium 3 plus, ytterbium, then we also see that it is 14, F14, and this is the same. This is actually 13. 3 plus equal 13, and 1 electron here also pair up. 1 electron unpaired. This is 1 electron. This is actually half, and this is actually half, and this is actually half. This is actually 2. This is actually 2. This is here 2, and which is E value, L value is L value only minus 3. I will consider actually 3 value, actually 3, and which is L plus S 3, L and S, which is S equal to half, and this is actually 7 by 2, and which is L equal to 3, is this is H, F, and 3 by 7 by 2, and this is 2. This is 2 as constant term symbol for ytterbium 3 plus, ytterbium 3 plus. If we consider last lutetium, this is lutetium, last lanthanide lutetium, you know electronic configuration. This is 14, and this is F1 electron. Next electron will be present here 5d1. It is lutetium electronic configuration. If we consider lutetium 3 plus, then also electronic configuration. This is electron resolution here present, remove here, and then electron will be present, remove from 5d1, and this will be 14, and 14 electron will be pair up here, here also pair up, the total electron pair up, and this is L equal to, and L equal to will be 0. Now unpaired electron here present, so all total L equal summation M equal to 0. This is equal to S equal to no unpaired electron present here, 1 half into 0. This is actually 0. This is actually 0, and 2s plus 1. This is 0 plus 1. This is actually 1. And this is L plus N. L equal to, this is L equal to 0. This is L equal to 0. S equal to also 0. This is actually 0. This is actually 0. This is actually 0. And then we know that. Then we know that. L equal to 0. L equal to 0. This is actually a term symbol S. S 3 multiplicity is 0, and this is actually term symbol. This is actually term symbol for if we consider this is 2s plus 1. This is 2s plus 1. This is 1s 1. If we total write the total electronic term symbol of total term symbol of the all the Lanthanides elements, you can see the mirror image of this is 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the mirror image of this is which this is the lanthanum. If you consider lanthanum 3 plus, which is electronic term symbol of S1 S is 0, and this is lutetium also same term symbol. If you term symbol of ferric 3 plus, this is you know F this is F actually this is no you know calculated. This is actually F no 2 5 by 2. This is 2 5 by 2, and also this is terbium due to you term symbol, same term symbol it is 2F 5 by 2. If you term symbol of basidium same for terbium, this is for niobium, this is for same, this is also same, this is also same, this is same. Samarium same for dysprosium, and europium dysprosium and terbium. If you put your mirrors, the total term symbol of will be mirror image of this point, this and of that. This is very important question where for net get set. One question is arises from this main text and various every years which give the suppose you one question of give the term symbol of term symbol of urium 3 plus and terbium 3 plus A B C D will be answer provided. You will right answer will be tick here, and this question very common for various competitive porika. You know, you may practice at home again and again, and totally you may read and in this question at that point. Okay, bye.